Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. You are riding on board with me for this 10-lap pre-final in the 100cc senior class in club racing out at Dallas Karting Complex. Drop me a comment below, let me know who you are and where you're from, and I'll try to give you a shout out in the next video. Take a look behind us. The last three carts are 125s. They're letting them race with us, but they told them to start about 100 yards behind us on the green when they dropped the green. Not sure what happened there, but all right, green flag, here we go. That is Doug to the inside and Wreck 'em Rick in the 98 right in front of me. If you look to the left here, that is Mark to the inside. I'm going to try to fight back and get my spot. He gives me plenty of room. I'm going to return the favor, give him enough room. Nice, clean racing. You see Rick there working on Doug, looking at the over-under. It's just not there, so he settles in. If you get in a wreck out here, whether it's your fault or not, you have to pay for your own equipment, so I like to be kind of careful at times. I'm going to try to catch up to these guys. Right here, they look to the inside of Doug. Makes a mistake there, keeps it too wide. I don't know if he was carrying too much speed and he had to roll off the throttle to recover, but loses 3 spots in one corner. Nightmare scenario for Doug. As we look backwards, you see the big snake of carts behind us. Looks pretty cool. It's a really hot day, about 97 degrees Fahrenheit with some pretty good humidity, so it just sucks being out here wearing a helmet and a onesie and gloves, but we love to race, so we will deal with it. Trying different lines there in turn 3. Again, really bumpy. I'm using a GoPro 10 right now, and it has really good stability. Even the 7 I normally use has really good stability. Does not do that turn justice for how bumpy it is. All right, you see Mark look to the inside of Wreck 'em Rick. Goes in the 3rd spot here, very nice. Allows me to catch up, so I'm about 2 cart lengths away. Seem to have a little bit more speed on the straight, but on the corners they do pretty well. Yeah, they pull away just a little bit there, but they can catch up. All right, to the inside, that is a 125 making the pass, and it kind of holds me up here. I have to alter my line, holds me up right there mid-corner. I'm not a fan of the 125s racing in the same race as us. So I think it just interferes in our race, in my opinion. So I lost a little time there. So I'm hoping that maybe he slows them up a little bit, lets me catch back up. But they kind of open up on me just a little bit there. He goes around Rick pretty easy. Messed up just a little bit there. And they're right there, but Rick's fast and so is Mark, so I really have to drive really well to catch up to him. They're doing a good job. All right, I want you to watch going into turn 2, what happens to my cart. I kind of hit the rumble strips and it jerks my cart, really messes my line up. Watch this right here, going into turn 2. Left side tires barely touch the strip. If you're not ready for it, it'll jerk the cart out of your hands, or at least try to, towards the rumble strip. So I was looking at the apex of turn 2, didn't realize I was that far out. Next thing I know, the cart jumps just for a fraction of a second to the left. I have to correct for that, and you saw how bad I missed the apex of turn 2 as a result. I'm not going to be able to catch these guys, but I'm in 5th spot now, which is going to be on the inside. to start the final, so that's not a bad place to be. So I'm not entirely upset. I think I could have finished in third spot for this race had it kind of things changed, you know, gone differently. But those guys, Mark and Rick, they did a great job, especially on the start there. And those guys are going to be hard to pass, even if I did catch up to them. All right, we're bringing it around to take the checkered flag. All right, that was the pre-final race. Pretty fast. They dropped it down to 10 laps due to the heat, and this is a pretty physical track as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.